Hello and welcome to Quick Solution. Today I'm going to show you how you can appeal a TikTok ban. So the first thing you have to do is create a new TikTok account or log in into a new account that is active. Once you've done that, go to your profile in the bottom right corner and hit this three lines icon, then go to settings and privacy. Right here, as you can see, we have plenty of options and we have to choose from this option right here, report a problem. So I'm just waiting for the page to load, and as you can see right here at the topics section we have also lots of options, and we have to select the first one, account and profile. After you've done that, of course, just wait again for the page to load, and from this section we have to choose from profile page. And as you can see at the profile page section we have plenty of options, and we have to go for the other. And after the page will be loaded right here, TikTok is going to ask if our problem is solved, and we are going to hit the no. And right here we have this option, need more help. And as you can see right here, you can send a feedback directly to the TikTok team, and right here you have to just report the problem to the TikTok team and explain your issue, and then hit the submit button. After you've done that, they will receive your feedback, and they will come back to you with a response within a few days. So this is all for today, guys. If you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.